All right, let's talk about some subscription businesses. These are super cool. All right, these are super cool and they work extremely well. They solve a problem. Let's start with Pup Box. Okay, you can personalize, you can put in your puppy's name. But what is this business? This is a business where basically for a monthly fee, monthly, people pay to get a box from you, which is dog snacks and a couple of toys. So this is curation. What does that mean? That means that I don't have time to look for new dog snacks because my dog is tired of old snacks, new toys, and whatnot. So people that have a business like this and some other people in Sharks University have also started this. They basically order certain products and put them in a box and send them out. So your dog gets new toys and new snacks every month for a certain price. You don't have to go to the store. You don't have to go online and shop and all this crap. They get stuff they go crazy about. All right. So it's called pupbox.com. You can go check it out here, how it works and so on. And then you create a monthly subscription website. Google it. It's super easy. You can do it on Shopify. You can do it on WordPress. You can just look that up. But the main point is the business here. Okay. Depending on how old they are, so on and so on. And here's the pricing. 12 months, you have $22 a month, 32 for 6 months, 34, 39, and so on. And it's that simple, right? So you could pick 3 months. So you give people options, right? But this is, once again, just a puppy toy, puppy or dog snack box that people get once a month, and it's new, and your pet goes crazy and he loves you, all right? Next subscription business, lingerie. Lingerie, this is for women. You basically get once a month, you get a bunch of different lingerie, right? It's also curated. You put in your sizes and stuff like that, whatever the case is, but look it up. This is women not having to go to Victoria's Secret all the time, waste your time if you're a husband, if you're a boyfriend. They don't want to waste their time either. This is where you can go and basically sign up and just get lingerie delivered to you once a month. Okay, try us for $15. So it's affordable lingerie as well. And it's super cool. You put in your sizes and everything. Check it out. This is a very popular and good business that works. So everything I'm showing you guys, once again, is not a new invention. These people did not invent any of this. This is a new spin on a business that's already working. Okay, just going to hammer that home for you guys to finally understand business, because everybody listens to all this bullshit online once again about the copywriting and this and that. I'm gonna drive a Rolls Royce overnight. Like, these people here can buy those cars. And it's not because of the stupid shit online that they've read and saw, or whatever else they did, right? These are real businesses, right? This one, let me X out of this. Okay, so this is a cool monthly subscription business. What is it? You basically buy a bottle. Okay, this is a starter kit. You buy a plastic bottle. It's like a squirt bottle. It's like for Windex, for like a house cleaning liquid. So what do you get? You get refills monthly. So you put this piece of soap, it's a little tablet, as you see it here. These are little tablets. They're soap tablets. Check out the site. I think they have a lot of different things here. But you buy a bottle once, you buy this bottle once, and then you just get these tabs for cleaning. Okay, so also their social responsibility mission here is to help the environment, right? And to also save you money for buying a lot of junk, buying a bottle all the time, and so on. And I'm sure they also have a lot of better cleaning options when it comes to the chemicals and things that are inside of here. That's for sure. Okay, so this is cool. You can put your own spin on it. This is like super easy. You can get this manufactured somewhere. Super easy, right? Chat GPT, Google, where can I make soap tablets, right? Dig into it, research it a little bit. It's super easy. Marketing and selling this is the work. It's not the product or making it or getting it, okay? Back to socks. This is the third sock example. Basically, once a month, you get cool socks in the mail. That's it. You join the sock club right here. Boom. And you get socks in the mail. Super cool. All right. Footcardigan.com. Check it out. This I love. Okay. Anybody on earth will love to develop their kid, for their kid to learn smart things while they're young instead of stare at the stupid tablet or the phone or whatever else they do, play video games. So once a month, these girls, their sisters, they generated, and you might have seen them on Shark Tank, they generated millions of dollars in revenue. So once a month, your kid gets a box. Your kid gets a box with interesting things to do, right? Play games, things like that. It could be a board game. It can be just something where they learn, right? Let's take a look at this Paint a Birdhouse activity kit. Okay, Paint a Birdhouse activity kit. So you get like a little birdhouse, so on and so on. You could check out their site. But once again, this is curated stuff. So just like for dogs, this is curated stuff. Here's the bird box. Just like for dogs and for pets, this is something just for kids, right? So you curate some cheap toys and come up with stuff. So you create like 10 of these boxes and you learn how to replicate it, or 12 of them, right? So people, when they sign up, they already have the next 12 boxes ready to go. You don't have to reinvent anything. You need to come up with 12 different boxes for the year, okay? 40-year, and I think they have like as they get older too, but that's like once you get like more advanced and so on and so on. But to start, 12 different boxes that you can replicate. That's it. Like this, Paint a Birdhouse, this is not different for everybody. It's the same, but for different people. So once again, like replicating 10 different play activity boxes. Once somebody signs up, the first one goes out first month, the second one, you know what's going out, the third one, the fourth one. So just putting together those boxes. So how would you do that? If you wanted to make 100, you would get 100 bird boxes and 100 of something else, and just have those things ready to go. Now, these can be simpler. You don't have to invest a lot. These can just be like little activities. You can find stuff on Amazon and so on, just for kids, like cool kids activities, cool kids toys, cheap toys. Curate it and charge more for that. Obviously, you have to make a profit, all right? But check out surpriseride.com. They killed it. And whoever replicates this, there's a lady, she's a teacher in Sharks University. She's a teacher. She loves kids. She has kids, always wanted to do some sort of a business. And she found herself in this business, okay? Her business is called Smart and Fun Box. She's having an amazing time. She does social media marketing with her kids while she plays with these boxes. She gained like 10,000 followers in a couple months and so on. And she's doing extremely well and making a lot of extra income. So a lot of extra income, and when you're a teacher, it's probably the same as your your main income, because teachers don't make much. So this is an awesome business that I love. All right, this business, okay. So this person, Hungry Harvest, basically got leftover perishable vegetables from restaurants. Now they have like a product and so on. This is basically a place where you would order super cheap food. Okay, I don't log in. He's not letting me go forward without logging in. That's fine. Whatever happened to this? Just check it out. Go on the site, where we deliver. This is just a business idea, but this guy literally goes to restaurants and picks up stuff they don't want to use and sells it online. That's it, right? So I'm sure there's like definitely like a time limit and things that are available every other day, but just another business idea. Like this guy's crushing it. I forgot what their revenue is, but it's definitely surprisingly high. All right. This is dog food. Just like I have peanut butter, just like I said, you can make a different trail mix, just like I mentioned, or you probably actually haven't seen it yet. It's in the next lessons when I talk about my product. But this is a food product, and your pet gets that food product every month, right? You basically buy healthy food. There's organic treats, there's supplements, soft chews, okay, whatever that is. It doesn't go to the soft chews, but here's some of the products for pets. Once again, you don't have to go to the store all the time, buy the same crap. You get it delivered, all right? Solves a problem. This is a monthly subscription coffee business. People, coffee is freaking coffee. There's different kinds, whatever. If you make a cool packaging, it's 90% of the sale. The coffee is going to be decent. It's going to be better just because of the packaging. The coffee is going to taste better just because of the better packaging. I guarantee you that. Okay. So if you want to do tea, if you want to do coffee, if you want to do whatever, this is a monthly subscription where you get this on a monthly basis and pay a monthly fee. All right. This is also for younger kids. It's the same thing as the first one, but basically these are also monthly. Let me see. These are monthly products for kids. Maybe I'm on the wrong thing. This is the blog. But they're basically toys, okay? You can watch the YouTube videos, but they're basically toys for kids, more or less, okay? It's the same thing as the children's education that I mentioned, but this is more for younger kids where they just have like some things to play with, all right? So these are some cool monthly subscription businesses. They work extremely well, right? Like I love these businesses, and people, when you're helping people, when you're helping younger kids, dogs and things like that, people spend money on that, okay? You can market the crap out of it. All these people, all these businesses here that I've shown you are people that started this out of their own house. None of these people went and got millions of dollars of investment money. They started it out of their own house. You can do it. It's super easy. You physically have to make the product. The rest of that is making a website, which you can YouTube, search on YouTube in 3 seconds, make a Shopify store, and the rest is just marketing it. Okay, these monthly subscription businesses are super cool. They've been on Shark Tank a million times. They've generated millions of dollars in revenue. This is something that everybody can do from their home, no matter what you live, where you live, and what you live in. What you live in. If you live in a shoebox, you can do it. All right, let's go to the next products.